English for beginners, the body. The eye, I see people with my eyes. I watch TV with my eyes. I read books with my eyes. The ear, I listen to music with my ears. I hear loud noises with my ears. I wear earrings on my ears. The nose, I smell roses with my nose. I sneeze with my nose. The mouth, I speak English well. Sometimes I talk slowly. I smile with my mouth. I kiss with my lips. The hands, I wave goodbye with my hand. A baby crawls on his hands and knees. He shakes hands with his teacher. I hold a book in my hands. The fingers, I point my finger to show the way. I wear a ring on my finger. I touch the button with my finger. The wrist, I wear a watch on my wrist. The knee, I kneel down on my knees. I bend my knee. The leg, I run on my legs. I walk to the shops. The foot, the feet. I walk on the beach with bare feet. I stand on my feet. The toes, I wiggle my toes.